barista hops in. 2, he's not just cute. He's got skills. 3, precision, passion, and in just the right pu'er 4.
In a quiet little kitchen, a miniature coffee counter awaits. In a quiet little kitchen, a very special barista. The tiny coffee counter is meticulously arranged with miniature coffee cups and a small coffee pot. Soft, warm lighting bathes the scene, creating a cozy atmosphere. At the tiny coffee counter, a fluffer performs an unexpected feat of skill. With surprising dexterity, the bunny firmly grasps the tiny coffee cup. He's not just cute, he's skills. A stream of dark, rich coffee fills a petite cup in slow motion, a mesmerizing dance of liquid grace. Wisps of steam ascend from the cup, swirling into the air. Precision, passion, and just the right pour.
Bunny barista. 1, in a quiet little kitchen, a very special barista hops in. 2, he's not just cute. He's got skills. 3, precision, passion, and in just the right pu'er 4. This isn't just a drink. It's a moment. 5, a sip of peace, a taste of joy. 6, and for
Wow,
one...
are you wondering where I get these incredible toys? I find all my amazing collectibles online, right on Amazon. It's my go-to spot for discovering unique, fun items. You can easily explore and buy these awesome toys online from Amazon too. Dive into their huge selection and find your next favorite piece. Click the link to start your own collection today. I have buy many ebooks, toys, scooter, video games, puzzle games, mobile and computer accessory, t-shirts, and many, many more things online from draz.pk at cheap rates. I advise to other friends that have to buy online from draz.com. Animate more.